Okay, guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I enjoy everybody because I need to give you some information. So as you know, the retro will develop it together with the Brazilian guys, okay? And you have the difference and the time zone between Brazil and Mexico. And during the retro development, it'll be 3 hours, okay? So it's completely impossible to, I share my screen, give me a second. After the Semana Tech, our time will be, our agenda will be this one, okay? 632 is here, okay? You have class on Monday and Wednesday. So, oh, give me a second. I need to close my feeds. Okay. Where are you? You are here. Okay. Okay. We have class on Monday and on Wednesday. Okay. But the Brazilian guys has class on Monday too. However, in complete different time. Okay. Another problem. The Brazilian guy joined with the groups here and this 532 and the 521. Okay, it's only one group in Brazil and 2 groups in Mexico. Because of this reason, we have the first session, okay, to introduce the retro, to discuss in detail what you need to do to introduce everybody one to other, okay? To enable it, you have a special session or on Monday, 7 p.m. or Tuesday, 7 p.m. Okay? Why 7 p.m.? Because 7 p.m. there is a good chance that everybody do not have class. To understand, 7 p.m. in Mexico is 10 p.m. in Brazil. Okay? It's the reason that it's 7 p.m. It's not possible to be more close, more late, because it's very late here in Brazil. Okay? To enable that you select the correct date, I create not here. Second. I create this meeting pool and you need to select which time you want, okay? On Monday or Tuesday. Okay? When you happen, the most vote, for example, if the most Brazilian and Mexico guys select, there are more votes in Monday, it will happen on Monday. It's 10 p.m. in Brazil, okay? When you see, you see the time zone is Mexico, and you see 7 p.m., okay? If the group select Tuesday, you'll be on Tuesday with whole group, okay? Brazilians and Mexicans. Did you understand or not?
Yes.
Okay. I published in the Slack today. Okay. Please answer so quickly, so soon as possible. Okay. To be to finalize this time. Another thing that you're doing is, okay, you have class again on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, okay? We use Monday and Wednesday to clarify any question that you have, okay? I have a question about the topic 1, the implementation, the first week, or the activity 1, the retroactive 1, 2, 3, 4, and other, okay? You can use the class to clarify. However, if you need to whole group go together to clarify, I and the Professor Cesar in Brazil, on this time here, you define 2 days at night to you select to be available. Okay, maybe probably Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You define to be. It's like one query like that. Okay, it's the same thing. I create a new query and put there, and then we are available 1 day a week at night to clarify questions for the whole group. Okay, if you are, you can, for example, if the Brazilian want to clarify the question directly to Cesar in the class that Cesar has with them, it clarifying directly in the class. If you want to clarify directly with me, you can go in the class session Monday or Wednesday, and clarify. If you need to the whole group clarify the question, or in other words, you want to ask them to me and to Cesar together, or you want to the whole group be together clarify with the whole group. We define 1 day at night to clarify, okay? To enable that everybody is on. Did you understand?
Mm-hmm.
You really understand or not?
Mm-mm.
Is not so happy. Okay, guys, there is no way to join everybody in the class time. The time is very different than Brazil and Mexico, and 3 hours. And another thing is the class, the Brazilian class is in a different day than the Mexico class. It's impossible to join during the class time, everybody. It's the reason that I and the Professor Cesar will be available to clarify to the whole group in this time at night, okay, 1 hour a week. I believe it's enough. Again, if you, for example, you start to discuss and need more time, you can stay here for more time, okay? But again, this date we define late, okay? For now, I need to help. I need that you select the day of the first class. That will be on Monday or Tuesday at night. Okay? Any questions?
Not, teacher, not for now.
Okay. I share in the Slack I share in the Slack this time. Okay? I will share in the Slack. Another thing that I need to do is I'm creating a new channel in the Slack. And in this new channel, all the guys from the 531 groups, 532 groups, and Brazilian groups will be inside, okay? Another way, I share my screen. Okay, where's my Slack? Slack here. Okay, I create a new group in the Slack, okay, GSL, BM, and Mexico. I add everybody from the 531, 532, and the Brazilians in this group, okay? And this group is to talk about the final project, okay? Again, about the class, you can continue to use the 531, okay? And in this specific group that I didn't introduce, I didn't add you again already, okay? I will add. It's the group to discuss the things about the repo, okay? Everybody in all the groups is here, okay? Any questions?
No.
So the last thing, the groups is the same group that you work in the class in our course, okay? Plus the Brazilian guys. Which Brazilian guys? It don't matter because you don't know nobody in Brazil. Am I correct? So I and Cesar, you randomly select the guys that enter in the groups, okay? For example, one name of one group here, here is the tacos e não sei o quê. Creio que tem este grupo, não? Check here. Give me a second. For example, the group team de Macuerna, for example. The team de Macuerna, Adriana, Alejandro, Carlos, Gael, Ronaldo, and Rosa. Okay? There are two or three other guys that enter in this group here, okay, from Brazil. After I create the groups, I sort the guys that enter the groups. It's the same. In Brazil, the guy has groups from two guys, okay? It's the same group. The group that is already has join, merge with the group that we have here in Brazil, in Mexico. Okay? Any question, guys?
No.
So you have more time to continue to work in the activity that you have today. Okay. It's our last class before the Semana Tech. Okay. We only return after the Semana Tech. It's really, really important to finalize these activities before the Semana Tech. Okay? I'm available during the Semana Tech, but it's very important to finalize this activity before the Semana Tech. Okay? If you need help, okay, you can ask me in the Slack a free time. I have a lot of free time during this week to join and have a face-to-face meet like we do here, okay? To help you to finalize this activity. But it's very important to finalize this activity this week, okay? Don't go to the Semana Tech with questions about this activity. Did you understand? If you have some advice, please send them a Slack message and I meet you outside the class to clarify any question. The only day that you don't have a lot of free time is Friday because I have another group. Okay? Any questions?
No.
No,
teacher.
We open the breakout room, you can back there. And I remember, I will share in the Slack group the link of this to define the day, okay?
Sure.
Okay, if you want, you can back to the breakout room, guys. Okay, Ivan, go ahead.
Teacher, can you hear me there?
Yeah.
Okay, I see Canvas, and it appears from Wednesday and from Saturday the same homework that we're doing today. In both segments, we have to upload the video file.
Give me a second.
Thank you.
Which activity?
The activity that we are doing right now.
Okay.
I think Canvas that it's for Wednesday and almost it's for Saturday.
Give me a second. I'm checking. Until Wednesday is the due date, okay? But you have until 21. It's what means. Until Wednesday is the good time to submit, but you have until Friday until Friday 21 is Friday or Saturday. I cannot remember. Just check here. Yes, and you can finalize. The correct date is 19. Okay, but you have until Friday to submit if you have some problems. Did you understand?
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Welcome.